step towards the street!
Hold here, hold here, hold here.
He had said that he shot her, and then that's when I did the 911 call, and I was holding her head and I was holding her mouth because there was blood coming out of it.
December 1st, 2024. Watch how a home football watch party ends in gunfire after the engagement is called off.
Walk out the down the driveway with your hands up. Walk to me. Hands up. Walk to me. Walk to me. Keep walking. Keep walking.
I got hands.
Hands on your head. Hey, we have one detained right now.
Get up. Get on the ground. Get down.
Does he have anything on him?
Stand up. Sit up.
Throw him in the car.
There's one GSW. Stand up. Hold on. Stand up.
I'm trying to stand up.
Get up, dude. Go ahead.
I've been drinking, okay?
Alright, let's make it move up.
Here. Wiley, you want to hold him in your car?
Here with him. Alright, we're gonna move up.
Slide in. Slide in.
What's that guy's name? Is that Tim? You know what? Here. We're gonna push up. I'm gonna open up the door. Just let it breathe.
There's gonna be a woman right to the left. She's got something in her hand. I couldn't see what it was. She held her.
They're on the back patio?
Yeah. Say call police!
Open up.
Say call police! Where are you?
She's straight back. She's straight back.
Who's to my left?
Hey! Hey!
Yeah.
What is
Okay, ma'am. Walk to us. Walk to us.
Come out for us, okay?
Walk to us. Walk to
Come
us.
out.
Ma'am, come on out.
No, I can't. I can't.
Ma'am, I need you to walk to me right now, okay?
Wait a minute.
Okay, is somebody hurt? Okay.
Let's pump. Move it. Move it. Move. Hold it.
Somebody, please! Somebody take her, please!
1 second, you're okay?
I did not know. I need you to hold her. I'm gonna pass out. I need you to hold her. Hold her head, please. Please take
When
her.
you're done. You're okay. You're okay.
No, I don't.
You're okay. You're okay. You're okay. You're okay. You're okay. What's your name? Now, how old are you?
20.
20? All right, my name's Officer Davis, okay? You're okay. You're okay.
It's not okay.
You're okay. You're okay. We're gonna get past this, all right?
Where is he at? The suspect.
He's with Ganesh in Wild's car.
Nobody's talked to him yet. We parked down there. We made the contact team coming around this way. Right when we got to that corner right there, that's when he was standing in the driveway, all the way back out to us. That's actually, I think, his flip-flop right there.
Yeah, both of them are like in my car. Did he have his weapon on him?
No.
Okay. So we detained him here. We could hear screaming coming from the back. That's as soon as we got him secured in the back of the car. We made our approach up front. That's when we finally heard, hey, somebody's hurt in the house after we were trying to call people out. Hey, she's in the head. So then we just went in.
Were they fighting out back in the patio?
Yeah, I mean, I could only hear my mom though. My mom, I mean, she's never had good relationships, and I thought this was it. I mean, he was a really good guy. It's just when they get drunk, it's bad. But I never thought.
Yeah.
I'm Detective Dunn, okay? I'm with the St. Cloud Police Department. I'm here to talk to you about what happened, okay? Are you comfortable here? Do you want to go by the garage or anything?
I'm fine here.
Okay. All right. Can you raise your right hand for me? Okay. Do you swear and affirm that everything you're about to say to me is true and accurate and the truth?
Yes.
Okay.
And they went to a football party to watch the FSU UF game. And then they came back home, and I was in their room because that's where the dogs like to lay, because they got a king-size bed. Like, when they get drunk, pretty drunk, they fight. My mom, she comes by it honest, but, I mean, she has had a temper before, and so does he. And she has a lot of past trauma, and it just whatever. And then Tim had come in the room. He said hi to me, which was normal. He went in the bathroom, went in the closet. I thought he was getting changed. I was like, okay, we'll go to bed now. I take Bailey. Brody sleeps underneath their bed. And then I was tucking her, and I was about to turn off my light, and I heard something, and I thought my mom had thrown something or whatever, or dropped something or fell or whatever. And then he I went downstairs, I kept saying, Mom, are you okay? And then he was already down there, and he said to call 911, and then he had said that he shot her, and I thought I didn't think that he was being serious, so then I ran upstairs, and then that's when I started screaming, and I called, and I was shaking, and then I didn't want to go out there, but I felt like I had to, and then and then that's when I did the 911 call, and I was holding her head, and I was holding her mouth, because there was blood coming out of it, and I thought that would maybe save her. Walking, but that's where he keeps it, so,
Okay, so he keeps the gun in that closet?
Yes.
So, you go to a separate room, you
Yeah,
hear
go to
a
the
shot.
bedroom.
How do you end up seeing Tim again?
Because he was already downstairs, because I was walking downstairs to check on my mom.
Because you heard that?
Yes.
You see him with a gun?
No,
Okay.
I didn't. I to be honest, I didn't go all the way down. I just kind of saw half of him. I wasn't.
Did he have the same clothes on that he had?
Yeah, it was a gray sweatshirt.
So you see him, you come downstairs,
Mhm.
and he speaks to you.
He just says call 911.
He says call 911. Okay, he doesn't, other than call 911, that's it? He doesn't say anything else?
Well, he did say, I heard him say, before I went downstairs, because I kept saying Mom, and he said, it's over, it's done, it's over. He said I blew her brains out.
That's a... Okay.
Alright, go ahead and step out, because I'm going to take you to the other side of the car.
Okay. Ouch. Can y'all help me? Because I'm really stiff now. I'm numb.
I got you.
Oh,
It's a little bit farther down.
I know.
Okay.
My shit's really hurting. It's numb.
I got you. I'm going to have you walk around to the other side, okay?
That's fine.
You don't have anything on you that's going to poke me, right?
Nothing's gonna touch me. I do have a knife in my right pocket, I think. My pocket knife.
Okay. You know what? Will you go around the other side and hand me that seatbelt? Yeah, I know. They're really tight back here. Sorry about that.
It ain't much better.
I'm gonna get you to the police department and then I'll take you out of here. Okay. Watch your knee. Are you able to scoot your knee in? There you go. Have a seat in the far seat, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
So I went in my room, changed, and I heard a noise, and I thought she threw something or something knocked over. I just had said like, oh, like, you know, like, Mom, are you okay? And then Tim was already down there because I was walking down the stairs, and I kind of heard him say like call 911, and I thought maybe she fell or something, so I kind of started to panic a little bit. Then before I kind of heard him say like it's over, it's done, whatever, and I was like, what is that? Like whatever. And then he had said, like, I don't even like want to say it, that he like shot her brains out or something along those lines. And then I was like, are you being serious? Are you being serious? And then he was saying call 911, and I just raced upstairs and I called 911, and I didn't want to go outside because I knew that's where she was.
And you mentioned something about brains?
Yeah.
So...
I don't remember exactly what he said, but it was somewhere along the lines of that he shot her in her brains or something. Which was how I knew that. I mean, I just knew she was gone already.
Did the noise you heard, did it sound like a gunshot, or was it just a loud
It
noise?
sounded like there's a There's a TV outside, and I thought, maybe she dropped something. I mean, in hindsight, yeah, I did, but I wouldn't have thought that.
Yeah.
I mean, I didn't even know he went back downstairs.
I know you called 911 because he told you to, right? Yeah. Did you call anybody else?
No.
Has there been any undocumented physical domestic violence and anything?
It's usually my mom.
Okay.
And it is only literally ever when they get drunk. I guess maybe something, they had a bachelorette party in October. I went to bed, and then her and Tim went in their hotel room, and I guess they got into a really big fight. I think he called her or something, and so she just slapped him or punched him or something.
Okay, so the time is 3:55 a.m. on December 1st. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in a court of law. You have the right to talk to a lawyer and have him present with you before during questioning. Do you understand each of these rights I've explained to you?
Yes.
Okay, by having these rights in mind, do you wish to talk to me?
I'll talk.
Okay. So Tim, let's start with, can you kind of describe your relationship with Dawn?
Yeah, 3.5 years. Engaged, supposed to get married.
You said engaged?
Do what?
I'm sorry, you said engaged?
We were engaged, yes.
And throughout this relationship with her, have you guys lived here off of Westerson the whole time?
No. I was off of 1925, where me and my ex had a house over there on 10th Street.
Could you describe just kind of how your guys' relationship is? Are you guys in a honeymoon phase, or?
It's been a little bit rocky here.
Okay.
And then tonight was just bad. Well, now it's morning now, but earlier today it was bad. And just this week, I work for the school board, and I had the week off and everything, and just, I don't know, just.
So you're saying it got bad today. Can you kind of go into details a little bit as to what went bad?
Just like, she was just like mad at me we went over to somebody's house for the Florida State game, and she just rode my ass hard about, things that's been going on, and she just thought was bad, and I'm like, I love you. And I just told her, I said, what is going on? Why are you so riding my ass, and everything,
Did she, any explanation for it? Do you know why?
She just thought that I was just, being the person that I'm being, and, she had just told somebody, her ex-mother-in-law that's back in the area, that earlier, I'm a good dude, I'm a great guy, and her girls love me, and, she loves me, and that we're gonna be, getting married and do all this stuff, and it was just like, today was just like bad, It's like, I don't know if she's upset because I had the week off and she didn't, or something, or just different things,
Did it start where you guys were at the party for the game, or?
No, it was before that, the day before,
Okay, the day before.
Yeah, and I was just like,
Okay.
and just, struck me a few times. She punched me a few times, and just, different things, shoved me, and throwing the patio furniture and stuff again, and it's like, I don't understand,
Yeah.
Alcohol involved, of course, different things,
And this was all earlier yesterday, like before the game, or the day before?
The day before, yeah. So we got home, and before that, at the house we was at, she was like, I'm gonna give you the ring, and I'm gonna just tell you right now, when we get in the car, you can have the ring. I'm done. We're not getting married. But I go back in the house over there where I'm at, and we're loving on each other and everything, and she goes, oh, isn't it amazing how I can show you how I can be false to the people and everything? And I'm like, I thought we were good, We get home, sit on the patio, It was bad. It was real bad. You know what I'm saying?
Can you elaborate on that?
Can you go into a little detail?
Well, you know, I tried to talk to her. We're drinking, you know. I tried to talk to her, and she says, you know, I'm not marrying you. I'm done this time. You're bullshit. You're all your bullshit. And, you know, she started, you know, shoving me and hitting me and throwing the patio furniture into the yard and everything. And I'm like, what are you doing? You know?
Yeah.
And she just wouldn't listen to me, you know? I tried to tell her I love you. I'm going to be with you. I'm going to marry you. We're going to continue. Supposed to get married in April. And I don't understand, you know? But she didn't want to listen to me, you know? She didn't want to hear that I still loved her, you know what I'm saying?
Okay. So you guys are arguing outside on the patio. What happens next?
I was just done.
Done with what?
I just had enough. You know, I just told her, you know, are you sure that's your final answer? You want to tell me we're not getting married? And that was it.
Okay.
I had enough. I had enough. You know, my ex-wife, you know, February of this year, we were done. Dawn was great. She got me through that and everything. But I'm like, I'm just had enough with women. They have mentally f***ed me up. I've had enough with women. They have pissed me off, mentally f***ed me up.
Okay.
How did your guys' argument end? How did the resolution for it?
We're not bullshitting anybody here. You know how it ended.
You know, but there's always two sides to a
I
story,
know.
right? So,
I know. Y'all want me to confess. I know you do. I know.
Well,
Well, Tim, we weren't there.
exactly.
We weren't there. And right now, you're the only person that knows what happened because the other person is no longer here.
Yeah. I just don't even want to talk no more. You know what I'm saying? I know you guys are looking for her. I just don't want to talk about it no more. That's the 357 he bought me when I was a young man. Yeah. I went upstairs and got the 357. I went back outside. I talked to her. You're not gonna marry me? Yeah. I did. Baby girl, my baby girl too. 3.5 years, you know. She heard it. You know what's the craziest thing? You guys shoot pistols all the time. My head has been up from 15 years with my ex. And I have seen signs in her sometimes that bring out my ex. And it's like, don't do it, don't do it. And we both, alcohol don't make things better, right?
Yeah, of course.
It's like, tonight. And she's just right here. Bah, 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 bah. And I'm not engaging. Bah, 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 bah. And I'm just like, stop, 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 stop. Please stop, please stop. Please quit coming at me. Quit coming at me.
He was later charged with second-degree murder, use of a firearm during a felony, aggravated assault. For more cases like this, hit subscribe.